So is Rakuten worth it? Is it actually worth having on your extension as a browser feature, or is it a waste of your time? So I actually want to show you on my account and kind of give you a breakdown of why I think it actually can be worth it for you. Now, I will have a link for you in the show notes down below. It does support the channel, so you get more free content like this, but you also get a nice bonus, and honestly, just the bonus itself might be worth going through this process. So this is going to be my account right over here. You can see I've been a member since 2018. I actually wanted to do tests on it for this channel a long time ago, and I've been honestly using it ever since. So this is what, 3 years of a review effectively. And so let's kind of break this down. You can see my total lifetime cashback has been $528. Now, I'm not a big fan of couponing. I gotta admit, like, I'm not a fan of going around and clipping things or making things that take a lot more time. So let's just kind of break this down quickly so you can install this app and you can get back to your regular scheduled viewing of videos. So you can see right over here where it says cash back on purchases. You can see some of my most latest ones. You can see like Vistaprint and eBay. You can see right over here the total amount that I spent and then the cash back that I got. Obviously, the eBay one was a lot smaller, so it was a smaller cash back. And then there's one pending because I did a transaction back in February, but until that actual transaction fully goes through, that one you can't actually see, so I'm going to quickly show you. It shows that it's pending right now, so that's a vacation that we're going on. So I want to show you why this is so freaking easy for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over really quick to another website and then just kind of take you through this, because what it's going to do is instead of going through and having to go look for coupons, Rakuten actually just tells you that they're there, and it's so amazing. So let's go ahead and just go over to this other tab right over here. So I just searched for Kohl's, so you can see right over here, this is going to be the first one that I see. So I'm going to click on Kohl's, and right over here, let me move my screen just for a second. Boom, this pops up right over here. So it says Rakuten, it says activate 1% cash back. And just like that, if I click on this, what it's going to do is it's going to kind of like reroute me back to the website. And then just like that, I'm going to get 1% cash back. Now, there's sometimes caveats of like the things you're purchasing and how much you can actually get back. Sometimes it's a range, but just something to keep in mind that it's that simple and that easy, and I'm done. Now, I do my my purchases, go through, get the refunds that go back into my Rakuten, and then after a certain time, they usually do like 4 checks a year that go into my PayPal account. You can see right up here. So we got a check for $98.51 that was sent on November 15th, 2020, or that will be sent on November 15th, 2021. And the one prior to that was close to the same, almost $100 back on August 15th via PayPal. I honestly did very little work for this stuff to just be able to get that bonus and go through that process. It's just clicking that activate button as it goes to the websites if they're available, because I have it as an extension on my web browser. And honestly, that's pretty much it. Nothing else I have to do. I don't have to think about things. I don't have to withdraw money. It just automatically withdraws it into my PayPal, and I have that money to spend however I please. Now, again, if you want to check them out, I'll link them up in the show notes down below for you. You get that nice little bonus, supports out the channel, so you get more free content just like this. Now, if you want to check out some of the other programs online that can actually help you save money, very similar to Rakuten, check out my video right over here to learn more about Honey. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.